You will not receive your sign-in sale cards until you get to your room, and your staterooms are typically ready after 1:30 p.m. All right, we just got to our room, Carnival Vista, 7353. Let's go check it out. To keep the lights on in your room, there is a card holder by the front door on the left. And you can use your room key to keep the lights on, or you can also use any credit card or gift card sized card to keep the lights on if you want to place your room key somewhere else. Our suite was already set up with the bed pulled out for our two kids to sleep on. So normally that is a couch, and then you can pull it out in the evening if you have a third or fourth passenger who will be sleeping on there. Unlike the regular staterooms, the suites do not have a pull-out bunk from the ceiling. Carnival offers a complimentary room service menu for all guests regardless of stateroom size, and then there are other items that you can purchase and have delivered to your room. I really like that the lock to the balcony is up high, so that way little ones can't get themselves in trouble by going outside when they're not supervised.